Good morning, everyone. In today's, put off your video, all of you, and I will mute also all of you. So, once more, good morning, all of you. You know that now we have to follow the new guidelines of CBSE. Whenever they give a new guideline, or when they want to reduce or add some chapters, or want to change their chapter, it's all the under CBSE guidelines we are doing our work. So whatever the portion is given there, you just focus on the net. Some portion is given on the website. You have to follow the CBSE syllabus. So time to time we will change that also. Just now, as per CBSE norm, the chapter which I am going to teach, that will come in your term 1 examination. So that is that chapter is 7 at present in your book. So we will follow that. I think that is cyber safety. Okay, so please go through as per the new syllabus, okay, or as per the new guidelines of CBSE. So for that purpose, I will share screen with you, and then screen is now shared, and then I will start teaching you. I'll open the chapter which I have already scanned for you. So here I will start the chapter. Wait for a minute. Meantime, I will admit students. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so we'll start the chapter. For that purpose, again, I have to share the screen. The screen is shared, and then I will start the scan chapter. I will take it out. I think desktop pay, I have saved it. The new chapter will start in today's class, and class 9th, I think, was there. Let's see, where is 9? Chapter 7. Wait for a minute. Just a minute. In Raza folder, I think I have saved 9th. So yes, it's 9 here. So I will start this. Maximize. And chapter 7, now we are starting. In chapter 7, safely browsing the web and using social networks. That is your chapter. So chapter structure is introduction, internet application, malware, impact of internet on society, malware, viruses, cyber safety. Now remember, we are going to finish syllabus in time. For that, you don't worry. And as I told you, we have to follow the guidelines. So this chapter which I am teaching you will come in term 1 examination. Remember that. Term 1. So internet, first, you know that contents are introduction, internet application, impact of internet on society, malware, viruses, cyber safety. So introduction. Internet is the most recent telecommunication technology which has brought a technological revolution not only in offices but also in homes. Okay, Manasvi, you have raised hand. So just a minute. For that, I will stop share, and then I will talk to you. Manasvi, why you have raised hand by mistake? Manasvi, you are asked to unmute. Pardon? No, no, my voice is clear. You are having internet problem. Others are, I am audible to everyone. Please show thumbs up, all of you. Yes, see, where the network is having some issues, that may have problem. Okay, Manasvi, I am audible
Okay,
to
sir.
everyone. Okay, so please let me continue my class. Share screen again. So we were going for the introduction. Internet is the most recent telecommunication technology which has brought a technological revolution not only in offices but also in homes. Internet is the world's largest computer network which connects several computers of different types belonging to various networks all over the globe. As you know that when this internet technology started, there's a history behind it. During World War II, that time this British and all, they have thought of making a network, and they started with the ARPANET and all that. So that's history. If it is there, then I will surely go. Otherwise, we'll just skip it. Now, internet, what is the process? Internet is a global network, also known as wide area network, where we can connect to any person from any part of the world. Okay, and it is the world's largest computer network. As you know that, I think I have taught in 8th class, not you. LAN, WAN, PAN, MAN, etc. These are different types of networks, but internet, out of them, internet is the largest. It covers a very large geographical area, such as continents, etc. Complete one continent to another continent, in suppose Asia to Africa, Africa to America, and all that. So internet is a very large computer network which connects several computers and different types of belonging to various network, or not only the net, other devices also. Inter is Next is your internet is not governed by single authority. So there are no official rules and regulation to control activities involving it. This has many problems being associated with the internet. So many time it happens. Sometimes people ban internet. Why they ban internet? Because it is governed by many people, thousands and lakhs and crores of people. So if any contents are published by some people, so others have sometimes no control, or government tries their best to control those contents. As we know that, of course, internet work, yeah, any network works with certain rule known as protocols, and the basic network for a protocols for the network is TCP/IP. But what they are saying here, okay, there's no official rules and regulation to control activities they are talking. So sometimes the activities and the contents we get on internet are not good for the children, not good for the society, not good for, sometimes they also through internet harm the sentiments of the peoples also. So no control. That sense they want to say. Okay. Next is your, next page is your individual or organizational, individuals or organization use their computers to store important and valuable data. Individuals or organization use their computers to store important and valuable data. Very often, these data are kept confidential and need to be stored securely. However, with the internet connecting all these computers, this security is now threatened. You know that there is lot of theft there. Even we are working internet banking and all that, we are not safe 100%. Anytime any hacker or cracker, hacker is basically, there's two different terms, hackers and crackers. Hackers basically enters in the secure code for gaining knowledge, and after accessing your loopholes, they try to solve or protect, give you more protection. Whereas the crackers are the malicious people, the dangerous people. They enter to secure code and they do all the malicious activities, that is, they can theft your money, they can enter to your secure code, they can delete the contents from your whatever the sites you are having or your from your system. Okay, so if you are connected to internet, so that way person security problems are always there, and that's why while working on internet it is suggested that you should have a proper firewall. So once the strong firewall, or you can say once we are having a proper this one antivirus, then we can secure our system. Not, but that is also not 100% secure. Okay, there are many type of scans, cleans, etc. are available. Antivirus softwares are available which protect your system. And especially in Windows operating system, always threat is there. Come to the next point, internet application. It is not that the internet is used only for sending and receiving information. It has its commercial aspects too. Internet today offers a number of standardized services to all its users. In fact, it is like a multi-purpose tool to communicate with one another, collect information, and enhance your knowledge about the subject that you like, conduct research, play games, invest in shares, or just look around, usually called browsing, in search of recipes or even jokes or the latest technologies developments. The description that follows will acquaint you with some of the well-known ways in which internet is used worldwide. Some of the important usage of internets are, so you know that internet is not only restricted to sending and receiving messages. Internet is on not only to send mails. Internet is not only to share jokes. Internet is not only to only play games. Rather, it has lot of features. Using the internet, all the features, you can book the tickets on various websites such as India. We use irctc.co.in, by which we can easily book our tickets. Other features are also with that. Railways ticket especially we book, flights for that, and others features also. But these all websites only work when we have an internet. Understood? So internet technology is required to do banking. Also you are doing, you require internet technology. So it comes here, the what are the different applications, what are the different types of advantages and usages of internet. So first point here is information retrieval. One of the most common service on the net comprises retrieval of information about various topics that interest you. This retrieval getting of information is made possible through the World Wide Web, popularly known as WWW, World Wide Web, or you can also say W3W, the W3. Okay. So internet is one is the information. Information here, that is browsing. When you surfing, browsing, so you are getting all the information. Okay. And that is only possible once you are having the WWW. Like you must have a browser. That browser has a protocol, HTTP, TCP/IP, etc. And through that we can connect to various systems. World Wide Web is actually series of servers. मैं short में बता रहा हूँ. This is series. WWW is a World Wide Web is considered or known as series of servers. ठीक है? Internet and email. Second point. Please show your thumbs up that you have understood whatever I have taught till now. I'm just giving my own views also and also reading. So इससे क्या होगा बेटा कि you can write more in your examination, and as I told you बेटा कि in your examination these internal examinations are very important for you. So please don't miss this examination, because we don't know about the pandemic and the procedure which they are following, that the internal marks are sent to the board and accordingly the result is prepared. So these internal examinations are very important for you. Take care of that. Attend classes, those who are not attending, because this attendance is also required. Okay, so take care that you attend the classes properly, and also Just take care that you give all the examination and score good marks. Come to the next point here, internet and email. The internet facility used to maximum is email. It involves writing messages on a computer and transmitting them to another computer so that the address can read them, thus saving paper, time, energy, and cost. In fact, it can be said that email is the essence of communication on the internet. Practically everyone with the internet access does have an email account. For that, अब आपको इतना डिटेल नहीं दिया है, but still I will say for sending mails we use SMTP protocol, we use IMAP protocol, we use POP, Post Office Protocol, POP3. So this type of different protocols are there which helps us for sending and receiving mails. Detail is not there, so I'm not going to teach you. Otherwise, in 12th class and all, I teach detail. So different types of protocols are there for sending, receiving. These are, I told you, IMAP, SMTP, POP, etc., POP3, etc. News groups. Come to the point here, Usenet also it is known as. News group is also known as Usenet. In internet email, basic things are written. Why we use email? We use email because it saves time. Immediately you can send the information. Pehle postal se, you know that how much time it takes to send a letter or send a paper from one place to another place. Lot of days. But nowadays with a single click the information reaches, and that facilities because of email. But with the social media network, we have now the features of instant messaging also, that I will come later. Come to the news group. News groups, Usenet also known as. The internet provides you a major avenue to communicate with large groups, popularly referred to as news group. This service is technically called Usenet and comprises a distributed bulletin board. The information news shared by Usenet groups can be unmoderated, unedited or moderated. दोनों हो सकते हैं. Can be moderated or can be unmoderated. So provides you, remember अभी ये समझना इस बात को, the new internet provides you major avenue to communicate with large group. जब आप कभी आपने अगर न्यूज ग्रुप यूज किया है तो रिमेंबर व्हेन यू एंटर द न्यूज ग्रुप और यू यूज द यूजनेट, in that you get the, you can chat to different type of people. उसमें लिखा रहता है कि age bar is also there and topics are also there. Suppose you are interested in science, so you can talk science. साइंस पे आप बात कर सकते हैं एंड साइंस के जो टॉपिक्स है, तो जो भी इंटरेस्टेड पर्सन होंगे दे विल एंटर टू दैट रूम एंड दे विल chat to you. Beside that, if you are interested in politics, the political groups are there. So political people, those who are interested in talking to that topic. So the internet provides you a major avenue to communicate with large groups, popularly referred to as news group. This service technically called Usenet and comprises a distributed bulletin board. The information shared by Usenet groups can be, अब आप उसे एडिटेड भी हो सकती है और अनएडिटेड भी हो सकती है, जो भी आप उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहे हैं और यू आर चैटिंग whatever it is. So this point is clear to you. न्यूज ग्रुप, आप कभी भी न्यूज ग्रुप पे जब यूज करते हैं तो अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल्स ऑफ सिमिलर माइंड, सिमिलर थिंकिंग, सिमिलर टॉपिक्स, दे एंटर इनटू दैट. गॉट इट? All of you clear? Please show thumbs up. Good. So we'll come to the next point, and that will be the last point today. I will start and then I will wind up my class. And meantime, just you wait. I don't think any more students is coming. बेटा जब मैं class wind up करूँ, then only आप जाना, जल्दी मत करना. मैं आपको जल्दी 5 minutes पहले ही छोड़ूंगा. Don't worry for that. So news group. The internet provides you. ये हो गया. This we have already done. Now we will come to the next one, accessing people. Internet would help you in locating your long lost friends who was probably lost in school or college. Lost का मतलब गायब नहीं हो गया. He is still there, but you are not having the address or location of that person. Okay, that is not that old Hindi movies they show कुंभ के मेले में दो भाई खो गए और बाद में मिले. वो movies में होता था. अब वो procedure नहीं है. You can locate any person through internet. Okay, इतना word में communication is so easy through internet that if any, sometime also you get on WhatsApp your message, this boy, this child, yeah, this girl is missing. So please inform to this number, and different news groups people send that information and easily they can locate. And I tell you, one of the old person of my family was missed once, and he was actually having some problem, or because of old age, he was traveling and got down to some unknown station. And when my other family members are not exactly directly related to me, reached to the destination, they found that that person, old person, is not there. So what they did, they started giving the information to different groups, and because of that, they were able to locate that person who was not very old. He was not able to explain. Anyways, they got the IDs and all, and then they handed over to that person. So that's what I'm saying. Through the internet, this accessing is very easy. This is the one real life example which I was giving you. But internet में क्या होता है वो ध्यान दो. Internet would help you in locating your long lost friend who was probably lost in school or college. That person must have an email account. Rest is easy. अगर इतना है, मैं तो आपको बोल रहा हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे आजकल बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं है तो भी आप सोशल मीडिया पर पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. So for this purpose you can visit a commonly used site such as who, where, use your search engine to locate it by typing this. Nowadays you know that using the Facebook and all, what happens? You easily locate your friend. मेरे कितने भी students हैं जो मैंने आज से around 29-30 years पहले पढ़ाए थे, I can locate them through Facebook. Understood now? So you can visit a commonly, they said that one site is there. For that purpose you must have an email. That is known as whowhere.lycos.com. Now to find the email address, you type the name of the person in the name field. Thereafter type the email server domain name like hotmail.com. In the domain field, once you click the go get button, the result will be displayed on your computer screen. You will also find that on screen display serves as a link wherever from you can get the person email. Now, I'm just stopping my class here only, and in next class I will go through this point again and I will explain to you. Just now wait for a minute. I will take the attendance of you. Wait for a minute. And I will take this class will be uploaded also. Don't worry for that. Those who have not attended, no problem. Okay. So I have already taken the this one attendance. Please take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day, Peter. Bye.